Introduction to Stoichiometry. Equation number 1. How much oxygen gas will be produced from 100 grams of KClO3? So basically you start off with the given, which is 100 grams of KClO3, and then you do your equation, you set it up, and then on the bottom you always write the given too, which is of KClO3, and you put the mole, 1 mole of KClO3. Alright, so to find this number, you have to go into your periodic table and look at the atomic mass. K equals 39.10. I usually round it off, so I'll round it off to 40. Cl is 35.45, so I'll round it off to 35. I'll just leave it at 35. And then O is 16, so basically 16 times 3. I get my calculator. 40 plus 35 plus 16 times 3 equals 123 grams of KClO3. So now I do the same thing. I put my given right here on the bottom, so mole of KClO3, and KClO3 is 2, and then on the bottom, the top, I put mole of O2, which is right here, so basically I put it 3. Alright, after that I put mole of O2, and to find the number you basically go again to your periodic table, so 16 plus 16 equals 32. Mom! 32, so 32 KClO2, 1 mole. Alright, when you finish with this, you just now get your calculator and multiply all of this and divide all of this. So basically 100 times 1 times 3 times 32 divided by 123 divided by 2 divided by 1. You're going to get 39.02 grams of O2. And this is your answer for problem number 1. Equation number 2. If you start with 155 grams of FeO3 as a limited reactant, what is the theoretical yield of Fe? So, as always, start with your given. 155 grams Fe2O3. Then you put the same thing on the bottom, so grams of Fe2O3. And to find this number, you have to go into your periodic table. So Fe equals 55.86. I usually round it off to what you call it, 56. So get my calculator. 56 plus 56, and for O it's 16. So basically 16 times 3. I'm gonna end up getting 160. And then you put 1 mole of Fe2O3. Alright, after that, you put the given right here on the bottom, so mole of Fe2O3 is 1, and then right here you put mole of Fe, so Fe is right here, so basically you put 2, and then you put mole of Fe, you put 1, and then 50, and then for this one you put gram of Fe, and Fe, you go into your periodic table, Fe equals 55.85, round it off to 56, and you get calculator, multiply, and then over divide, so 155 times 1 times 2 times 56 divided by 160 divided by 1 divided by 1. You don't really need to do that. And you're going to end up getting 108.5 grams of Fe. And this is your answer for question number 2. Alright, equation number 3. How many moles of H2O will be produced from 46 grams of H2O2? So basically, you write your given, 46 grams of H2O2. Alright, you put your given, this on the bottom, so basically grams of H2O2, and you have to find this. You have to find this number, you have to go into your periodic table. So basically, H equals 1.01, so basically round it off to 1. So, and there's 2, so basically 2 plus O equals 16, so 16 plus 16 equals 32. 32 plus 16 equals 32 plus 2 equals 34, so you put 34 right here. Then mole of H2O2 is 1, this, and then you put mole of H2O2, and which is H2O2 right here, so basically it's 2, and then mole of H2O is 2. So after that, when you do all of this, you basically get your calculator. 46 divided by 1 divided by 2 equals, oh no, take that back, 46 times 1 times 2 equals 92, divided by 34 divided by 2, and it's gonna end up to equal 1.35 mole of H2O. Put the gram right here. And this is your answer for equation number 3.
This is how you set up Mole Island. First, you have to set up the diagram for Mole Island. There are 3 major islands for each side: mass, volume, and particles. Second, you need to know what each mole represents for each island.
For mass, 1 mole equals molar mass. For volume, 1 mole equals 22.4 liters, or 1 mole equals 22.4 dm cubed. For particles, 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power.
For problem 1, we go from grams to moles to moles to grams. For problem 2, we go from grams to moles to moles to grams. Problem 3, we go from grams to moles to moles.
Taylor.
I'm Desiree.
I'm Angie.
I'm Jesus.
And we explain the Mole Island.
I explain the steps on how to use the Mole Island.
And
and I explained equation 1, 2, and 3.